Hello, yes, welcome all. This is World Olympiad Mathematics. You know that continuous program here, daily training sessions for world type of mathematics contest, World Olympiad Mathematics YouTube platform. Day by day training today, day 74. More than 2 months, more than 120 questions. I have worked here fully sold, explaining all three media, Sinhala, Tamil and English. හැමෝට බොහොම ස්තුතියි දිගටම රැඳී ඉන්නවා newcomers subscribe this and share this all அனைவருக்கும் நன்றி தினமும் காத்திருக்கிறீர்கள் subscribe பண்ணுங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் share பண்ணுங்கள் because our target not only the finishing point this is goes all type of problem solving junior level senior category university level algebra calculus geometry statistics probability any type of solving all challenging skills waiting for this my solution type of called world olympiad mathematics අපි තරංග විභාග සඳහා ඔලිම්පියාඩ් තරංග විභාග සඳහා නැත්නම් පාසල් මට්ටම ගණිත තරංග සඳහා උපරිම සපෝට් එකක් මගෙන් ඔබට වෙන්න ඕන නිසා මේ පටන් ගත්තේ world olympiad mathematics you know අතරමැද අපිට context නැති වෙලා ගියා hack කරලා හෝ remove කරලා තිබ්බා ඊට පස්සේ two successive channels were removed but now ඊට පස්සේ යාලා full detail එකක් කියලා තිබ්බා මෙහෙමයි කියලා therefore that is proved once again ජාත්‍යන්තර channel international YouTube platform එකක් වෙලා ඉවරයි මේක අපේ ඔබලාගේ උදව්ව නිසා අනේවරකුම් නන්රි மீண்டும் okay today I have to work two question I take this one first find the sum find the summation ஐக்கிய එකතුව පෙන්වන්න නැත්නම් ඔප්පු කරන්න නැත්නම් බලමු උත්තර මොනවද කියලා so විනාල සරිය හොඳට බලන්න ප්‍රශ්න அந்த பெருமானம் காண்க addition series මේක shady number pattern සංඛ්‍යා රටාවක් so 5 over 2 square into 3 square plus 7 over 3 square into 4 square plus 9 over 4 square into 5 square and so on එහෙම going යනවානේ 5 7 9 அடுத்து 11 13 15 ඔත්තේ සංඛ්‍යාව යන්නේ 39 දක්වා යනවා the all the numerator ලවය එහෙම යනවා පල්ලෙය බලන්න 2 වර්ගම් into 3 වර්ගම් 3 වර්ග into 4 square 4 square into 5 square அப்படி 19 වර්ගම් into තරාඩය පෙරක ගුණතිය 20 වර්ග right මේකේ එකතුව සොයමු I think those are interesting in my platform for the best achievement go see my first channel first YouTube 1 2 3 එහෙම දිගටම එනවා නම් නියමට තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන් how I am shown my explanation advanced problem and all type of solving and theory parts also okay so this question if you worked already check your solution the problem is available already in my world olympiad mathematics YouTube platform මේ එන්ට කලින් ඔබලා උපරිම හදලා ආවොත් නියමට තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන් இத பார்க்க வரமுன் மாணவர்களே செய்து பார்த்து வாங்கள் after workout and come no matter whatever answer problem you have to check with me maybe mine so long but yours a short form වෙන්න පුළුවන් okay see my method of solving this I try to expand make a පොඩ්ඩක් දෙකට කඩන්න යනවා see can I write this one 1 over make a multiple right 2 square minus 1 over 3 square බලන්න එහෙම පුළුවන්ද I will explain separately this one is it 1 over 4 minus 1 over 9 නේද now primary maths of fraction on a 9 මෙහි 4 මෙහි මෙහෙම කොහොම හරි ගුණිතය කරලා LCM using the LCM answer 5 over 9 is it okay 9 here 9 here 4 subtract 9 and 4 here 9 means 36 36 near the LCM 36 so make a multiply by 9 multiplied by 4, answer 5/36. Unedited video how I am teaching in my classroom. The same fashion I am teaching here through this international platform. No, after recording, sent to you all to see this. Okay, balanda on 5/36. 7/16 into 9. There's a value. So plus make a 1/3 square minus 1/4 square. Okay. And පුළුවන් නේද simplify. Yeah, 16, 9. 16 minus 9, 7 over LCM, right? See next one. Make the 1/4 square minus 1/5 square. Okay. If you simplify the same, 25 minus 16 is 9 over this together. On the next one, 5, 7, 11. Okay, 11. That is 1/2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. So 5 square minus 1/6 square. Okay. So finally, what the last part, addition, මේක දාන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් පොඩ මුඩියුම් how කොහමද 1/19 square minus 1/20 square. If you simplify, if you simplify here, it become a factorization form. 20 square minus 19 square. 20 minus 19. 20 plus 19. 20 minus 19 is 1. 20 plus 19, 39. Okay. And now see after this fashion, what happened? What happened? 1 minus 1/3 square plus 1/3 square cancel. Minus 1/4 square plus 1/4 square cancel. Cancel වෙනවා. The minus 1/5 square. Here 1/this 5 square cancel. To go that pattern, I think 1/19 square cancel වෙනවා. Is more suitable for Cat 2, Cat 3 ළමයි or Junior Olympiad or no matter whatever mathematical contest on the ප්‍රශ්න. You know my target, not only this question, මේ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න පස්සේ එනවා නම් ඉදේ මාරි විනාක්කල් පින්දි වරුමණ්ඩාල් ඒක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ඔබලා ටාගට් කරලා ફોකස් කරලා හදන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ අදහස මෙතනින් මතුවෙනවා අපි දෙනවා, right? Okay, now what happened? Your solution 1/4, okay, minus 1/20 square. The remaining part, okay. So make a simplify karamuda lamai. 1/4 minus 1/400, okay. 1/4 minus 1/400. Now you know lowest common multiple 400. So this is multiplied by 100. Okay. Minus 1. Here's Niyama Prashna. Good question. Challenging problem. Make the SMS neve goda samarayata tag gala wadina easy hada ganda puluwan. Samarayata poddak parak wena uttare ganda. Terum ganda amarui. Takkanda paatthunnem vodai varamudiyama irukkalam. But some others quickly can be recognized that question. Anyhow, 99/400 is the international solution. This is the MCQ paper. Underline the correct answer. The thumbnail, you can see the problem. Otherwise, problem available that my YouTube platform. That's called WhatsApp platform, World Olympiad Mathematics. Okay, nice. I come to my second question. See, read the proper diagram. See this. Find the shaded area. Okay. So what the shaded part? The largest circle, radius 2 times √3, right? 2 times √3 circle, radius 2 times √3, and here 30 degrees, okay. This arc may chop පරිදිය යා කරලා තියෙනවා 30 degrees 35 අංශගතිය අහලා තියෙන මේ area සොයමු. That is also tricky part. You know the area of a circle pi r square, complete circle pi r square, half circle half into pi r square, quarter circle 1/4 into pi r square. Some we have so many parts, right? So here actually I don't know the radius given, 2 times √3, right? Radius is අරය සමානයි දීලා තියෙනවා ළමයි r තරප්පට්ටුල්ලද. So find the answer of the shaded part. You also, I think, for A, B, C, D, 4 parts there, underline the correct answer. But you have to work it, hello. We have to complete the solution. Okay. See how my method here, so many methods may be applicable. Solutions are same. So my first method, where is the center? Where is the center? Suppose I can mark somewhere here. Center there. Okay. Now, if I join this and this, I take this is O. O is center, right? The symmetrical figure, right? Right middle is some, you can see the beauty, the diagram, original picture there. This right middle point, symmetric shape, okay? This is radius, radius, okay? So, you know, by some geometrical principles, theorems of arc or sector angles, by this arc, here 30, come reverse, go center, 60 degrees, double, okay, 60 degrees, right? By this arc, here 30, center 60 degrees, okay? This is radius samanai. You know, every picture questions, I hope to complete the picture itself by marking all the details and problems solvable easily from the diagram, okay? Now I join this right symmetric picture, okay? So some international mathematics, they shown the picture clearly symmetric, then we can assume, or not only assume, considered as a pure symmetric diagram and go to the calculation part. Okay, then lamai dannawa array samanai, okay, array samanai. So here therefore 30, here 30, this is 150 degrees, okay? Here 30, here on 150. So one of you can say make a 15 කියලා කියන්නත් පුළුවන්. හරි සමච්ඡේද, හරි symmetrically කපාගෙන යනවා. சரி அரைவாசியாக வெட்டிச் செல்கிறது மாணவர்களே. இங்க 15, இங்க 15. Anyhow make 150. Okay, now see my target, my method. See, there's a triangle, okay? This is a triangle. Can you imagine a triangle like this? BOA. This is radius 2 times √3. Here also radius 2 times √3. This is 150 degrees, okay? There are two triangles like this. If this area 100, these two area 200, symmetric. If this area 30, this also 30, answer is 60. Area 2 triangle 60. And there is a what we call arc, sector. On chapad, මෙහෙම තියෙනවා sector එකක් තියෙනවා කේන්ද්‍ර කාණ්ඩාංක මෙහෙම තියෙනවා නේද? Radius 2√3. This is 60 degrees. So my target lamai, what the question, find the shaded area. I'll find this area. තව එකක් double කරමු. Two area like this and this area. I think this area available in your primary grade 10 local mathematics book. Sector area 360 above theta into 2 pi r. Pi r square, area pi r square. 360 above theta into pi r square. 360 above theta into pi r square, the area. From that we can find this area, or otherwise another maths or trigonometry. Using trigonometry, we have another pattern also. I'll show you here. So those are interested in the pure mathematics, Edexcel, Cambridge, pure maths, AS level, further mathematics, or Sri Lanka combined mathematics. Lamai danwa area hoyana akara balamu. Okay. So what is this area? How to find this area? half into base into height. Triangle area from the primary level, half into base into height. You know the base this one, you know this one, but no height here. එහෙමත් එන්ට පුළුවන්. But I will show quick way by advanced trigonometry method. Several video I have shown that. So see here, international triangle දන්නවනේ මේ වගේ usual notation, small a side, small b length, small c length. the මේ කෝණ a කියලා ගමුකෝ ළමයි. ඔන්න ත්‍රිකෝණමිතිය භාවිතාවෙන් අපිට area සොයන්න සූත්‍ර තියෙනවා. මුක්කෝණද පරප්පයි කාණ්ඩ வாய்ப்பாடு what is the area? Half into BC sin A. I have proven earlier one video, I have proved that one. Half into BC sin A, or otherwise half into AC sin මේ කෝණ அல்லது half into AB sin C කෝණ. ඒ වගේ method තියෙනවා. So I can find these two given angle between that is available. Therefore මේ area හොයාගත්තා දන්නවා කියලා හිතන්න. මේක double කරාම අනිත් එක. So how to find this area? Sector area. Because you see the answer underline the correct solution. Answer pi තියෙනවානේ. The උත්තරේ pi අගයක් නැහැ. Pi in terms of pi. Okay. So this radius r, this is theta. So what the area of this sector is half r square theta. Okay. Half r square theta. Those who learn advanced science mathematics lessons, they knew this how to use the area. So theta should be a radian measurement. International measurement angle money radian measurement. So what the basically 1000 gram 1 kilo, 7 days 1 week, 60 seconds 1 minute. ඒ වගේම 180 degrees අපි කියනවා ළමයි pi radians නේද? 180 degrees pi radians. So 90 degrees pi by 2 radians, 60 degrees pi by 3. 180 3ෙන් divide කරාම 60 පහයි පෙරපඩු මානවர்களே. So 60 degrees pi by 3 radian, 30 degrees pi by 6 radians, 90 degrees pi by 4 radians. Okay. ඔන්න මේ formula දාලා මේ අගේ සොයමු. So දෙකම add කරා නම් answer එනවා. Okay. So I will try to show the full answer. Shaded area half this theory, half AB sin theta. Okay, both radius AB sin 150. Okay, half AB sin theta. This one half BC sin angle, right? Half into two sides multiplication and angle between them, right? Make a double කරනවා ළමයි. You know double 2 times නේද? ඒ වගේ double දෙකක් තියෙනවානේ ரெண்டு මුක්කෝණිකල උල්ලයිතානේ. So double කරා. Okay ළමයි? Okay. එහෙමනම් අනිත් එක add කරමු. මේ shape එක, මේ shape area. On the formula, international pure mathematics formula, half into radius square නේද? 2 වර්ගමූල 3 නේද radius. Half r square theta pi by 3. So problem by problem I'm දිගටම කිව්වා all the newcomers or subscribers prepare a booklet. පොතක් හදන්න නියම ප්‍රශ්න දිගටම යන ගමන මේක. පොතක් හදන්න world olympiad mathematics ලස්සන පොතක් හදන්න ඔයා තමයි කතෘ, you are the witness and work this all ලස්සනට හදලා තියාගන්න. අදම කරන්න tomorrow තවත් ප්‍රශ්න එනවා. ඊයේ තවත් ගොඩාක් ප්‍රශ්න කරා. day by day 74 days දිගටම අපේ ගමන යන මොහොතේ අපි ඉන්නේ. So two triangle area plus half into this. மாணவர்கள் நல்ல ஒரு கணித புத்தகம் ஒன்று தயாரித்து வையுங்கள். உலக கணிதம் olympiad mathematics. So see 2 cancel කරන්න. 2 multiple to 4 root 3 multiple root 3 root 9 that is 3. Okay. Sin 150 පොඩ්ඩක් හොයාගන්න වෙනවා ළමයි. Sin 150 answer is sin 90 plus 60 cos 60 make a half, right? sin 150 half, okay? plus මෙහෙ බලමු half එකක් තියෙනවා සම්පූර්ණ ස්ක්වයා කරමුද 2 square 4 root 3 square 3 into pi by 3 නෙවෙයිද හරි නේද okay ඔන්න මෙහෙ 2 cancel 2 එමනම් ළමයි 6 what is here on a 3 cancel wow on a 2 pi so answer of the shaded area is 6 plus 2 pi right so I hope you understood clearly හොඳටම තේරුමුණා කියලා මං හිතනවා நன்றாக விளங்கி இருக்கும் comments දාන්න day by day යන ගමන මේක daily mathematics training for any type of challenges your school level zonal provincial district national or international any region Asian region Indian region or the Australian kangaroo Canadian kangaroo British exams or Maldives or Malaysia Indian useful very used that's why I said international YouTube platform අපිට සම්මානයක් දීලා තියෙන YouTube වලින් දෙපාරක් එක remove වුණා පස්සේ full details එකම ඔක්කොම හම්බ වුණා දිගට යමු ගමන thank you so much we'll see tomorrow 75th day challenging skills another attractive problem we'll see tomorrow okay bye